So it is like, it's like 3:05, 3:07 in the morning. I literally woke up like 10 minutes ago wearing this outfit right here. And literally wearing this outfit, leaving the hostel. And I am here at the train station, waiting at the train station, wearing these exact same clothes. Kind of just a little quick thought, not sure if I'm gonna keep this in the vlog, but a lot of people were asking me and telling me, Luke, when you take the trains, if you book them early, if you book the more expensive ones, more comfortable. One more thing I think I should say, now that I'm in the train, I can talk and breathe and kind of sit down and I have some space. You know, I'm traveling from place to place, you know, I don't mind sacrificing a little bit of comfort in a 3 or 4 hour train ride. For example, sometimes you see me on the smaller trains and I'm sitting on the floor, where I'm like, oh, I guess I gotta sit on the floor. It's not really that bad of a problem because I know that by doing that, okay, I take a ticket at half the price and I get there on almost the same amount of time, less comfortable, but when I get there, that extra money that I saved being uncomfortable, it can pay for my hostel for that night, it can pay for the dinner as well, and I usually treat myself after trips like that as a reward for having to deal with the uncomfortableness for a little bit of time. But I'm not a huge fan of comfort anyway, so it's not that crazy of a deal for me. But I felt like I had to say that in the vlog because I feel like a lot of people, you guys feel bad and sorry and sad, and I say, oh, I guess I gotta stand the whole time. It's not necessarily that I'm complaining, I'm just literally just acknowledging and saying facts of what it is. I guess I do have to stand the whole time, but also at the same time, I'm saving half the money and I can use that money for something else and to reward myself for being uncomfortable for a little bit of time. Not a fan of comfort, but just feel like I had to say that. And hard to believe it, back here in Warsaw. I feel great, I feel excited, I feel good on the train. But like in this moment, I'm excited, but I feel like that's the only thing that's giving me energy right now. It's not that I'm not tired, I'm exhausted, just I'm running on adrenaline right now. It's probably like, and it's like 6:15, 6:30 in the morning. So crazy after going to Krakow, Katowice, Pcina, Bielsko-Biała. There's no place like Warsaw. And like I kind of said before, it's like the speed of the city, seeing people running to the trains, running to the trams, running to the bus. Like I can't remember in the small cities. In Pcina, I never saw that. In Bielsko-Biała, everyone was just chill or relaxed. Here, everyone head downs, looking at their phone, texting. You can lay in the middle of the street. People would take a photo and keep walking. Warsaw. And you know, again, but kind of on that note, like I said, I am tired. It is probably 6:45, 6:50 in the morning here in Warsaw. Quiet, calm. have a feeling everyone's running into the metro, running to the buses, running out of the train stations in a fast city like that. But I feel like here is a pretty decent place to probably end the vlog for today. Yeah, end it for the day. I am tired, I'm exhausted. I'm happy to be back. So many people to see, so many things to do, but kind of just want to chill out, put the camera away, get some rest, and happy to be back here. Happy to be back here. Happy to be back here in Warsaw. Happy to have you guys with me on the trip, going to all the places, Pachenda, Bielsko-Biała, Katowice, Krakow. But finally being back here in Warsaw is just like, it's just great. It's just like a familiar face, you know, Warsaw. And, you know, I'm really excited to be back here. I think on that note, putting the bags down and gonna be going to sleep. But I want to wish you guys a great day, great morning, great afternoon, wherever you guys are in the world. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.